kids! Welcome to our bathroom. Hi, we're so happy you're here. I'm a happy soap bottle. Let's wave hello. Yay! Hello, everyone. Hee hee. Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn how to wash our hands and keep them nice and clean. Yay! Let's make bubbles.
Tiny germs are everywhere. They can make us sick.
Oh no.
But soap and water make them go away.
Yay! Bye-bye, germs. First, wet your hands with water. Now take some soap. Make lots of bubbles. Whee! So many bubbles. Rub your hands together. Rub the front. Rub the back. Rub between your fingers. Rub, rub, rub.
Now rinse your hands with water.
Wash the bubbles away. Now your hands are sparkling clean. Dry your hands with a clean towel. Wow, so clean and shiny. Wash, 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 you're nice and clean. Rub and rinse, and now our hands are clean. Great job, kids. Always wash your hands. Bye-bye. See you again. Hi, friends. Hello, everyone. Wave with us. Yay, brushing time. Bye-bye. Let's brush our teeth and make our smile shiny and bright. What are those?
Those are sugar bugs and germs.
Ew, they're on my dirty teeth.
Tiny sugar bugs love dirty teeth. Brushing keeps our teeth clean and strong.
Ooh, a pretty toothbrush. And yummy toothpaste. Time to brush my teeth.
Take your toothbrush. Put little toothpaste on it.
Brush up and down. Brush, brush, brush. Brush up and down. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush.
Now brush side to side. Make your teeth super clean. Rinse your mouth with water. Spit and smile.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning and night. Clean and shiny, happy smile. Teeth so strong and bright. Great job, kids. Keep your smile shining. Bye-bye.
Hello, kids. It's bath time.
Let's get clean and fresh. Yay, digging the dirt is so much fun. Ooh, look, wiggly germs on my arms. Time to run and play some more.
Playing makes us dirty and sweaty. Bath time makes us clean and happy.
Yeah. Turn on the water. Splash, splash. Take some soap. Rub head and arms, tummy, and legs. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Wash the bubbles away.
Dry your body with a towel.
Hee hee. So clean and fresh. Yay. Splash, splash, bath time fun. Clean and fresh for everyone. Rub and rinse and towel dry. Now we feel so nice.
Great job, kids! Clean body, happy body. Bye-bye!
Hello, friends. Hi, everyone. Hey there. Welcome.
Hello, kids! Let's learn how to use the potty like big kids.
When your tummy feels funny and you start to wiggle, it's time to go potty. Yay, potty time! Hello, I'm ready when you are. I'm so happy. Me too. Let's go. Yay, potty is fun. Time to pull my pants down carefully. Down they go, nice and slow. There we go, all done. Now I'm ready. Sit nicely and relax. You're doing great. Hi.
Good job! You did potty. Wipe clean and flush the toilet.
Wash your hands clean with soap. With soap.
Clean hands are happy hands.
Why can't service happy hands? Go potty, nice and slow. Sit and relax and let it go. Flush and wash, clean and bright. You did potty, yay, all right.
Yay, you got all the stars.
Great job, buddy! We're so proud!
Stars, sticky!
You're our little star.
More stickers!
Bye-bye, everyone!
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe!
See you next time.